Ally with Carson, and we are currently on our way to Rough Ridge Trail. We're in North Carolina. We had stopped by my grandparents at Norris Lake yesterday, got to boat for a little bit, and today decided to head 3 hours into North Carolina to do a few of these trails that we've heard are really good here. We're saving up to do a big one tomorrow, Grandfather Trail, that we're really excited for because it's supposed to be a very strenuous, difficult hike. So we'll keep you tuned.
Yep.
Linville Village.
Wait till we get around this bend.
We'll see it again.
Just keep going, keep going.
See, look right there. I can see there's a gate where they probably take tickets to enter. You wanna get out for a second?
Well, it's pretty steep over there.
Right there.
All the greenery right over here, it looks so soft and supple that you could almost just like cannonball down into it. Although I'm sure you would actually cannonball to your death, but still sounds pretty fun. Can you believe that? I did not think that I would like this more than Utah, but I do, I think.
We haven't seen all of it yet.
What was the quote by the one guy that you were talking about that said, feels like you're at the highest point in the world at this place? It really does. Like, we feel like you're higher up than we were when we were at Utah. It's crazy. It's in front of us.
Arrive at your destination.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. That is a breathtaking view. With a breathtaking view in front of me. Alright, this is where we parked. Ally's getting ready.
The Rough Ridge Trailhead.
And this is where we're starting at. Did you say there's a change of elevation of about 4,000 feet or?
4,773.
Okay, so we're looking to see, or to make that number
200.
maybe 8,000 something here soon.
So we were able to park here at the Rough Ridge Trailhead,
This is where we're starting at.
and the trail starts at the right side of the parking at the Tanawa Trailhead.
This way we go.
Yeah, we're almost there. The lookout. There's Rough Ridge lookout right here. First thing, come over here.
Whoa.
Wow. Huh. Right? Is that where we're at?
I think.
On the sign it says Boone Fork.
Shit, we don't know where we're at.
Well, we just took Blue Ridge Parkway.
We're lost. No, I'm kidding. We're not lost.
Through
No,
one
this is
of
the
last-
Boone. This is the Boone Fork. So we're trying to go. There's where we're at, and it looks like we can go on this
They
trail.
said a creek is
but
pretty.
That's pretty long, so I don't know if we want to do it or not.
See, that's a 7-mile long trail.
Yeah.
They said a creek is close by, so I think if we just go
Got to take the.
this way a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Look at this beautiful creek. Wow, this is so cool. Comes and flows all the way down there.
The wind feels great.
What's that? Oh wow.
That'd be a nice little like.
It just what?